Hi, how are you? I want to talk to a believer, to a born again Christian, a devoted man of God, a Christian who believes in God. As you prepare to go to church, I want to tell you one thing. Don't forget to tell God and to remind God about your dreams, your visions, your goals. Remind God all of them. Remind God about His faithfulness. Because I believe that without faith, you cannot please God. So you have to have faith so that you can please God. And when you please God, when you remind Him of His great mercy, He will never forsake you. Because first thing first, you trust in Him. So as you prepare to go to church, don't forget to remind God about that you are praying for. There are so many things that you have inside your heart that no one else knows. You are the only one who knows the weight or the burden you carry, the burden of your dreams, the burden of your goals, the vision that you have. If you tell to a friend, atakuchekelea. But when you tell God, He will fulfill. Are we together? So as we prepare to go to church, put it in mind that God is very faithful and He will fulfill His word. The Bible says in Luke, I don't know whether I remember, but it says, no word from God will go unfulfilled. Other versions say, nothing is impossible before the eyes of God, but whatever God says, it will never go unfulfilled. So long as it is God who promised you, remind Him and it will be fulfilled. Be blessed.